Hello and welcome to Display.Stream. Today I'm going to give you a quick video tour of some of our key features. This TV is equipped with an Amazon Fire TV stick. In Fire TV, search for the Display.Stream media player and install it onto your TV. When you open the Display.Stream media player, click on Get Display Code. This will give you a code and a URL address. Move over to your laptop or computer. Open your browser and enter the URL address. Log into your account, enter the code from your TV, and click Activate. Your TV will start displaying a waiting for broadcast animation. This indicates your TV is ready to receive a broadcast. Now let me show you just how easy it is to get an Instagram social wall ready for prime time. First, click on Account, then Organization. Next, you'll want to click on the Facebook icon. Sign in with a Facebook account that's admin of the business page connected to your Instagram business account. The Instagram icon will now appear. Click on it and select your Facebook business page. Click on New Story. Give your story a name. Click on Plus Feeds and select the Instagram icon. Enter the hashtag for your company and any other hashtag for content you'd like to appear on your social wall. Your story will start displaying a feed from Instagram based on the hashtags you provided. Now let's change the layout to display multiple pieces of content at once. Select a grid from the grid menu. Now your Instagram feed story is ready to broadcast. Click on Broadcast, then click on Broadcast again. Now your Instagram feed story is broadcasting to your TV. I hope you enjoyed this demo, and thank you for using Display.Stream.